आय एम ऑनरेबल सीएमचे उपकार मानता की ताणें हांगा आयले आनी आमचे गार्डा कडेन डिस्कशन केलें आनी आय एम थँकफूल टू दी गार्ड फॉर अंडरस्टँडींग दी सिच्युएशन and they have called off the agitation, and also thankful to our faculty members that in a larger interest of Goa Medical College they have withdrawn the agitation, and we will see that we make this institution once again a better place for every Goan.
CM sir for coming to Goa Medical College and clarifying our doubts, meeting our demands, and on also the perspective of Federation of All India Medical Association, I would like to thank CM sir for addressing this issue with immediate effect. An MOU has been signed by in presence of CM sir with our Dr. Withdrawn sir and everybody, and we will strive together to work better. Also, I would be happy to announce that Gard and FIMA both together we announced that we are calling off any form of strike which did not start in the first place, but to clear all the confusion there will be no strike for the betterment of people of Goa, because people of Goa should not suffer at any cost. Thank you.
तुम्ही पळयतात GNH.
पळय गो शी पाड पडू हांचे कसलो सावार आयला देव जाणा. कितले आशेन हाडिल्ले हांवें सगळे.
मम्मा तू चड चिंतू नाका, राव. हे पळय सगळ्यात शुद्ध पंचामृत जे दिता शुद्धता आणि पौष्टिकतेची हमी, आणि त्याच वांगडा ही वेगवेगळी शुद्ध तेला आणि बरेच प्रोडक्ट्स अशें.
जशी आवयची माया जायना कमी, पंचामृता दिता शुद्धतेची हमी. पंचामृता